Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a quick way to clean the tub in case you have a bad back or you just don't want to bend over and get in the bathtub because it's hard to get in there, you don't have a long reach, things like that. So all we're going to use is some Dawn Power Wash. So this has been great. We've used this a lot on our countertops and things like that. It's dish spray, but it works really well for cleaning a bathtub as well. And we're going to use a standard mop. You know, it's got a nice handle on it. This one's got a nice scrubber on the back of it as well. And so it just allows you to kind of basically get into all those cracks and crevices as much as you can with the mop. And you don't really have to bend over to do it. And you can rinse out your mop inside the tub and basically don't need a bucket of water or anything else. So it's a quick and easy way to get it done. So let me show you. So first thing is you're really just going to get power wash all over here. Up in the top corners there where it gets kind of nasty. So you can do this, for mostly you can do a lot of it's just standing. You know, you don't have to get that close to it. And then I got a damp mop. So this has already been damp, but you can put a little water on it, get it nice and damp. And basically, you're going to treat it just like you would your floor. I always start and just give it a good scrub over. And the nice thing about this mop, and it depends on your mop of course, but this one's got a nice little scrubber off the back of it. So you can get in there and scrub really good. Get all that soap scum off there. And what makes it nice is a lot of times with the mops you can just go right around the outside edges of it, just like that. Get in there and do the top ledges. The back corners are always the hardest, even if you have long arms, to get in these back corners. It's really kind of hard. Now one thing with the mop, you're not going to probably be able to get into the right angles as well, but you know what? You get what you get with it, and try to get into the corners as much as you can. So do that, scrub it really good, and then you're just going to rinse it all out. Simple as that. Then really the last step here is just really rinsing it all off with a couple of nice water. Okay, so that's really it. So all you really need is Dawn Power Wash, a nice mop, and basically a cup to rinse or something to kind of rinse all the Dawn Power Wash down the drain and things like that, and you get a really good scrub there while saving your back, and you don't have to have a really long reach for it. So subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Okay, so if I've helped save your marriage, saved your time, or just gave you some good advice, maybe throw me a super thanks so I can keep this channel rolling, buy myself a coffee, get a camera that works because ours is on its last legs. Thanks. We'll see you next time.